So you want to learn Instagram. Okay guys, hear me out. Hear me out. I know this isn't Quick Tip Tuesday, but I could not wait until next week to post this. So I just want to come on here and tell you guys a little quick tip for Instagram on how to make your profile look a little bit better, how to make your grid look cleaner, and just how to make everything more optimized. How do we go from a square to kind of filling up more of the frame? Filling up more of the phone. So why post a square photo in a rectangle? Because you're missing out on all of that extra space that you could be occupying, but instead you're kind of just getting rid of it. So I cropped it 4x5 in Photoshop, synced it to my phone, and now we have the Red Bull photos on my camera roll. And if we hit the little arrows here, it'll expand and give us that full real estate that we want to, and then we can post how we want. I actually didn't know this either when I first started my Instagram account. First things first, for your multi-post, go over to the very far right. There's going to be a little icon here. You tap that, and now you're able to select multiple photos for your post. We can swipe to the right and we can see all of our photos in that post. And the third tip here is actually this really cool app that I found, and it's called Preview. And if we go into it, you can actually catalog and post photos to your grid without actually posting the photos to your grid. You link your Instagram account, it shows you all the photos that you have on your grid already, and then you're able to go in and actually post photos and rearrange them to see how they will look on your grid before you actually post them. So if we go up here to the top right, we click this little plus, we go to our photos and videos, we go to recents, and let's say I want to post this photo here, where then you can see if the colors look good, if the photos look good, and you can pick which order by dragging them and dropping them to see which photo would look good posted before what. Now this is if you want to curate your Instagram and make it look really solid. It definitely helps. And if you want to get rid of a photo, all you need to do is just tap on it. You can select multiple ones as well, and then go down here to the little trash can and delete. But I definitely recommend checking out Preview. It's a free app on the App Store, and it's super easy to use. It's really fun to use because that way you can see your grid. You don't have to post a photo and then find out later that you just spent 5, 10, 15 minutes working on captions and hashtags and all this stuff, and just to find out that your photo doesn't look good on the grid. So those are my quick tips for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know a lot of you guys probably already know this. A lot of people already know this, but some people don't. I didn't know when I first started my account, and it helped me so much. So a quick little summary: when you're out shooting photos, make sure that you're leaving enough room top to bottom to be able to crop 4x5 for Instagram. Remember that, 4x5. Next, remember that little icon that I talked to you about in the bottom left. Make sure you hit that to expand the image, otherwise you're going to be posting a square, and nobody wants a square. And last but not least, for your multi-post image, make sure you hit that little icon in the bottom right, expand, grab all of the images that you want, and then make your post from there. You can also hold and drag once you have the photos in there to select which photo you want as your main image that people are going to see first. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't done like an Instagram hack tip kind of video yet, I don't think, and I wanted to do one, but I didn't want to go super in-depth. I just wanted to give you guys some super quick basic tips that you might not know. You probably do know, but I know there's one of you guys out there. There's one of you that don't know this. But if you guys want to hit up my Instagram at The Uneducated Traveler, leave a like there. Check out my photos, maybe leave a follow, that would be super dope. Hit up my DMs, and maybe we can chat about some camera stuff, that would be super cool. I might not get back to everybody right away because I am super busy, but I will try my best to at least throw some thumbs up or something towards you. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, that would be super awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!